Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and protecting yourself. Unplug the refrigerator and switch off the breaker. Next, recover the refrigerant with a certified recovery machine. This is required and prevents contamination. Once done, remove the back panel to access the compressor and label electrical connectors and tubing for reassembly. Prepare your work area with a drip pan and fire extinguisher, and position the new compressor near the unit so you can move through the next steps without interruption. You now remove the old compressor, disconnect electrical leads, take off mounting bolts, and cut the refrigerant lines. Purge those lines with nitrogen while you cut to avoid introducing oxygen. When the old unit is out, position the new compressor, braze the suction and discharge lines using a steady flame and nitrogen purge to prevent contamination, and torque mounting bolts to spec. Then reconnect the electrical harness, double-check polarity and overload protector placement, and get ready for evacuation. You must evacuate the system to around 500 microns with a vacuum pump to remove moisture and non-condensables. Hold for 30 minutes to ensure a stable vacuum. Once sealed, charge the exact refrigerant type and weight recommended by the manufacturer, also topping up oil as required. Start the refrigerator and monitor pressures, temperatures, and compressor sound. If cooling is weak or you detect bubbles or hissing, recheck brazes and fittings. Use a soap solution or electronic leak detector. A persistent leak means rebraze.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.